Are you an owner of an ATV looking for a high-quality sprayer to use for your farm or acreage? Demco's 150 or 200-gallon ATV pull-behind sprayers are a very effective solution for you. Depending on your application needs, the ATV hitch-attached unit is available in both a 150-gallon or 200-gallon tank size. With multiple options on your boom size, you can choose from a 21-foot, 30-foot, or 45-foot trusty X-fold boom, or the newly designed 45-foot or 60-foot manual front fold boom. Demco pull-behind ATV sprayers give you 4 options on how you push your product from the tank to the boom. Choose from either a powerful 5.5 horsepower Honda gas engine attached to a centrifugal pump with or without an electric start kit, or a Hypro PTO mounted roller pump. With the pump and plumbing kit, there are multiple choices of controls that range from a manual control valve to electric plunger control valves to the Raven 450 controls. Demco's pull-behind ATV sprayers come with either single axle or a tandem axle option. The single axle is equipped with 2 24 by 12-inch turf tires, while the walking tandem axle is equipped with 4 heavy-duty 4-ply 22 by 11 pneumatic tires. The 150 and 200-gallon elliptical tanks feature jet agitation to prevent settling at the bottom of the tank, as well as a bottom sump for complete drain-out and a molded-in sight gauge. Demco's pull-behind ATV sprayers also come equipped with a 2.5-gallon clean water tank mounted to the front to add safety while adding chemical. As the battle with weeds in your fields and your yard evolves and continues, the Demco pull-behind ATV sprayers are a very effective way to fight that battle. For more information, visit our website at www.demco-products.com or call us at 800-543-3626.